Hi guys! Today I'm going to make my favorite recipe for apple pie. The leaves are turning red outside here in Sweden, and that means that fall is arriving, and that also means apple harvest. So I'm making an apple pie just to celebrate this beautiful and cozy season. I'm going to use apples that are in season right now during the fall, because that's going to ensure that we get the most flavor out of our apples. I'm going to use a Swedish apple called Katja. In a large bowl, mix together 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour with 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Add 1 1/4 cup of cold butter and pinch it all together until it's even. Add 3 tablespoons of cold water and work into the dough. Divide the dough into 2 pieces, cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least a half hour. Melt 1/4 cup of butter in a frying pan and then add 7 peeled and diced apples. A sweet apple pie needs some sugar, and I also add some flavoring in the form of cinnamon and ground ginger, which goes so well together with apples. Mix it all together and let it sit on the stove for about 5 minutes. Roll out 1/2 of the dough and place in a pie tin. Push the edges a little bit just to make sure that they stay up. Fill the crust with the apple mixture once they've cooled off a bit. Roll out the second half of your dough and cut into 9 strips. We're going to place 5 of these strips over the pie vertically. Then fold up every other strip and place one across the pie horizontally. Repeat this until the pie is fully covered. Now, press the strips and edges together. Cut any excess dough around the edges. Whisk an egg with about 2 tablespoons of milk and brush on top of the crust. Place in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. Alright guys, that's it for me for today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have an awesome fall. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.